guys! Today I'm going to be teaching you part 2 of how to make a Star Box Masu. So the supplies that you're going to need is a white piece of paper, or actually any colored paper. You're going to need scissors, a ruler. So in this lesson I will be teaching you how to make the box part of the box, which looks like this. And with your paper, you can either choose to use a rectangular normal piece of paper, or you can use a square piece of paper. So in this first part, I will be teaching you how to fold it into a square shape. So let's get started. We're gonna begin with our piece of paper, and the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it up like that into a triangle shape. The next thing that we're gonna do is, you see this line where it makes a rectangle? We're going to fold it around like that, and the fold line is where we're gonna cut it to make it a square shape. It should look somewhat like this. Now we're gonna unfold this part and unfold the triangle, so it should look like this. This part is the square, and this is the part where we're gonna cut off to make it into a square. Okay, so now that we're done cutting the paper, we're gonna get our ruler and a pencil. I'm gonna be using a pink colored pencil, and we're gonna measure the length and the height, the width and the height of our square. So my square is 8.5 inches, and then I'm gonna divide that by 8, which for me is going to be about 1 1/8 inch. So basically, I'm just gonna mark right there on each side where 1 1/8 inches. Because remember, a square, all sides are the same, so you don't have to measure the other ones. We're just gonna mark it, and then we're gonna mark it 2 times to make the line straight. One right there, and one right here, like this. And then along our 2 dots, we're going to make a straight line coming down and up, and we're gonna cut on that line. Now you should have a square shape that is slightly smaller than the square that you had before. Okay, so the next step of what we're gonna do is we're going to fold all of the corners, all 4 corners, inwards towards the center. To do that first though, we're gonna fold it in half in all sides, so you know where the line is where you should fold it in. Your piece of paper should look like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold each side into the center, parallel from each other, onto the line that we have in the middle, like so. And then we're gonna flip it around and fold the same way, like that. So now we have our lines where our box should be. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna unfold 2 of the corners that are parallel from each other. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the 2 corners that aren't folded inwards like that. Now we're gonna fold the corners inward like that, so it should make like almost a chair shape. And we're gonna fold that down and inwards. So there should be 3 triangles. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna fold it up, tuck in the sides, fold down, and fold inwards. And then to make all the corners more precise, we're just gonna fold it over like that. After you're done folding in all the corners, it should look like this. And now you can get your cover that we made in last lesson, and you can put it on top, and it should fit perfectly. And now you have a Star Masu box. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to fold a Star Box Masu. And I'll see you again next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!